Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Umbalakada chili paste. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready to go. You will need 100 grams of dried Maldive fish flakes, 50 grams of dried red chilies, shallots, and garlic. Also, have your 2 tablespoons of lime juice and 1 teaspoon of salt on hand. This preparation step is crucial for a smooth cooking process and ensures a delicious outcome. Now, let's prepare our key ingredients. Gently toast the Maldive fish flakes in a dry pan over medium heat until they are slightly golden and aromatic. Next, roast the dried red chilies for about 2 minutes until they become fragrant. Remember to remove the stems from the chilies beforehand. Finally, peel and roughly chop your shallots and garlic. It's time to bring everything together. Place the roasted chilies, Maldive fish, chopped shallots, and garlic into a food processor or grinder. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to the mixture. Begin blending these ingredients until they form a coarse, uniform paste. Gradually incorporate the 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice as you blend, ensuring a smooth consistency. Your Umbalakada chili paste is almost ready. Give it a taste and adjust the salt or add a little more lime juice if you prefer. Once perfected, transfer the paste into a clean, airtight jar. Store it in the refrigerator where it will stay fresh for up to 3 weeks. Enjoy this delicious, homemade chili paste with your favorite meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.